Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021
Audi SQ5. The Audi SQ5 does things you'd never expect from an SUV. This SQ5 has impressive acceleration and comes with a top-notch interior and sporty handling. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.